like over the moon excited that I got to go to the Frozen 2 premiere in a sparkly dress, and I was so blown away by the jewelry from the Enchanted Disney fine jewelry collection that Zales sent over that I just had to share it with you, and it deserves its whole own video. Zales didn't ask me to do this even. I just saw it and I was like, oh, you guys have to see this. So I want to show you all the details of the dress and all the amazing sparkles that I'm wearing because they're amazing. Hello and welcome to the Queendom. I'm Sarah Engel and I'm still like pinching myself that I like make sure that I'm awake, make sure that it really happened. I got to go to the Frozen 2 premiere and it was amazing. If you want to see the whole vlog on that, there's a whole vlog on that and you should watch it because it's a lot of fun. And it's like you get to come along with me. In the vlog, you'll see that Zales provided jewelry inspired by Frozen 2 from their Enchanted Disney fine jewelry collection. I didn't open any of the jewelry. I did an actual unboxing literally for the first time when I was about to head out the door to go to the premiere because I wanted to be able to, you guys to be able to see like my real reaction. So I didn't have my good cameras out and I wanted you guys to be able to see this stuff up close because I'm like in love with it. It's so pretty. I literally just sent Zales like a little video of the dress that I was gonna be wearing and they styled it. Really, really good job. Like I was like, this is so perfect. And the fact that all of it's inspired by Frozen 2. I felt like, I don't know, the actual queen. Like who gets to wear a sparkly gown standing on this very fuzzy red carpet. This is something I think that doesn't translate to photos and videos very well is the red carpet is very furry. It's like a furry red carpet. It's like you're walking on Elmo and I'm wearing jewelry sent to me by Zales and it's like real and it's so stunningly pretty. And if you're somebody who loves Disney, I mean, and which is like basically everybody who watches my channel. You guys love Disney. I love Disney. And if you want something really nice that's like celebrating something you like and inspired by a way. It's like sometimes Disney bounding, it's like super obvious, but it's like a classy, more subtle way of still celebrating something that's really special to you. And then other people who recognize it, they'll be like, oh yeah, I get it. I can, like, this is like so stupid, but like in the lens reflection, I keep seeing the necklace even. I'm like, I just really like it. I was so excited when opening it. It was just like, it's just the prettiest. And so we're gonna show you it all really up close. I'm gonna show you the dress and I'm gonna talk to you about a little bit about the pieces. Oh, and also, so if you are really interested in Disney inspired jewelry, in the Maleficent transformation makeup tutorial, Zales also provided their Maleficent inspired jewelry. So I'm like, I'm really obsessed with all of it right now. And I know you guys really liked the Maleficent stuff, but this is like, it's different vibe. Just like Maleficent has different vibes than Frozen. It fits so well and I just, so okay. So we'll go one thing at a time. We'll first start with the dress. I want to make sure I get to show you guys the dress like full length. When I was vlogging, there wasn't really a good full-length shot of the dress because there were so many people at the red carpet. Unless you're Selena Gomez or Idina Menzel or a super fancy person, the paparazziing and such, it was very hard to get a picture. In fact, like even I thought this was so funny. So even Disney posted their picture of Idina Menzel on, I think it was the Disney Instagram. Even her picture has somebody in the background like awkwardly photobombing because there were just that many people there. It was nuts. It was amazing, but nuts. With this very sparkly dress, and part of the reason I picked this is because this fabric, literally, it's like the pattern of glitter in it. It looks like ice. It's magical. I am shedding everywhere. Everywhere I walk, I get glitter. Probably not an everyday dress because if you wear this literally every day, eventually there'd probably be no glitter left on it. necklace. Oh, it's so pretty. This is a perfect example of Zales, the experts, and they really, really, really killed it with this. It's perfect. I'll let you guys see it up close and how pretty it is. With this dress and the neckline, I felt like it needs something with it. And you can wear this up a lot shorter too. Like I have it on as long as it will go because I have a very, very low neckline right now. Way lower than I would usually wear to anything Disney related, but this, I feel like it was appropriate. It's got some mesh there too, so we're safe. Next, I wanna show you the earrings. It worked perfectly because the crystals that I had woven into my hair are the same shape as the earrings that Zales sent, like the little drops. If you're a Frozen fan, you know that these are the kinds of symbols you see in things throughout Frozen. Just, it's very, very Arendelle, but the gems that they use in these are so just like Elsa and sparkly. It's just perfect. I love this. If you're looking for like a Christmas present, for somebody who really likes Frozen, any of this stuff, I'm like, yes, 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 yes. Like, I keep looking at all of it. It just makes me really happy. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video by Zales. They sent me the jewelry, yes, to wear to the event, but they did not ask for this video. I just had to show you guys because I'm that excited about it. Like whoever styled this, I don't know if it was my contact Megan. I don't know, Megan, if you're the one who picked all these out, but it's perfect. It's just all perfect. If you look at the details of it, it's like the ultimate fancy Elsa Disneybound, and I couldn't be any happier with how it came out. The bracelet I also love. Okay, a couple things. They're really smart to send me this because I have really, really little wrist. And a lot of times you have issues if you have a little wrist with bracelets looking really big and funny on you and also falling off. And you don't want to have to worry about something falling off. So this makes it fit perfectly. And I gotta show you this little detail on it. There is a little snowflake on the underside. And this lets you adjust it. I'll show you. But you adjust it by pulling on these. And even these little dangly things that come down, like they're so in theme with Frozen, but none of it feels costumey or gaudy. I really, really, really love it. And I love that it like hangs down like this. They have icicles when they hang like that. They're so pretty. The snowflake, it's like the perfect touch. And it's like delicate with the little, on the little chain. So it's not too much. So even though I'm wearing earrings and a necklace and a ring and a bracelet, like it was all styled so well that it just goes together. It fits with the dress. It just, I'm like, I don't have words. I don't have words. So I just had to show you. I just had to show you how pretty it is. Now for the rings. They sent over 3 rings. I got to pick which one. I did that on my Instagram stories. I tried on all 3 rings and picked which one. This is the one that I wound up picking. So I also have very, very little hands. So like I had to put this little tape thing in there to keep it on my finger, but I have like such weirdly small fingers that when I was graduating from college, I wanted to get a class ring and they didn't make it in my size. So I couldn't get one. This color blue just goes with the dress so well. So like if Elsa was a gemstone, this would be her. And then all these little pretty side little twisties. It's just so classy and beautiful and I love it. I love it so much. I also want to show you guys the other rings that I didn't get to wear, but they're still part of the Frozen 2 inspired collection. The rock on this thing, I'm like, my goodness. Like I'll show you, especially on my little hands. Again, you can see I try this as an option because I put the tape on it. The details on the sides again, it's like this little like frozen, it reminds me of like ice. And then look how big this is. I was like, whoa. I think the other one just looked more delicate with my, especially with my very little hands. Show them next to each other. It's a little weird, but I still love this one so much. And the comments you guys were sending from Instagram, you guys were like, whoa. And I was like, I know, right? Whoa. I don't even know what other word to use, but whoa. So here's the one with the mega rock. It's so pretty. Because I was already wearing the snowflake on my wrist, I knew I wasn't gonna choose this one. This is so pretty. It's a snowflake ring. If you want something that's like very clearly inspired by Frozen, this is it. It's so cute. Like if you're fancy Elsa Disneybound, this would be the way to go. Oh, look at all the snowflakes. They're so cute. It's like a slightly smaller version of this. It's so cute and pretty. They're just done so well. It's so easy when you have like a snowflake as jewelry to make it kitschy. And I'm not into kitschy, at least with like when I'm wearing a gown. But it's really easy to go that cheesy route with it, and they didn't. They made it feel like it's fine, pretty jewelry that you could give to like a significant other. I'm gonna put my favorite little one back on because I probably won't have this dress on again for like, I don't even know when, and I just wanna enjoy wearing all of it. Look, now I'm gonna have all of them on. Whoa! That would be a little much. I've like punched somebody with it. Oh, and I have one other little like tidbit. The cheapest, easiest part of my whole outfit was this little purse, because I realized the bag that I was going to bring with me, I went to go get it out of my closet and it was old and it was yellowing. So I needed a new one. And on the way out of my hair appointment to run to go get my dress, I ran I ran to Windsor, grabbed this, paid for it obviously, and I got this easy little like silvery bag and it worked great. Please tell me in the comments below which part of the Frozen 2 premiere outfit was your favorite. I think I said earlier maybe the necklace, maybe the ring. I love this. I really love this. I'm not having a good time picking. I like all of it. I just liked it all together. I think that's part of what worked so well. It's just all just went together so well, and I was just so happy I got to go. I'm so grateful, and at least sharing it via vlog. If you guys haven't seen it, it's up. You can go watch it so you can feel like you get to come along with me. And I just wanted to show you the jewelry too, because I'm like seriously so excited about it. Because I'm like, what is my life? How am I getting to wear these like fancy, sparkly jewels and go in this fancy dress to the Frozen 2 premiere? Like, this is the closest I can get to bring you all with me. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more content like this, we have lots of lifestyle, beauty, and fashion content, but most of the time with a magical twist, which basically just means there's a lot of Disney stuff. So all of my Disnerds, this is your place to be. Remember to subscribe though if you want to see more videos like this, and ring the little bell if you want those to come right to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all this stuff because I'm having so much fun showing it to you. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. This has been Enchanted Disney Fine Jewelry. I said it, haha. I said it right, okay. What type of necklaces? So if you want, never mind. We could like bleep me out like if. It just makes me so happy. Oh yeah, where am I going? Yeah, if. Oh wait, that's a spoiler.